Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video is gonna be a short video update of my exhaust system that I installed about 2 years ago. It was a very cheap system that I got from rockauto.com. It was only about $150–$160 for the whole exhaust. So the muffler and the two pipes go into the catalyst converters, because my exhaust just fell apart back then and I needed to get something really fast and cheap, and it was a cheap unit anyways, but it sounded okay. It's nothing crazy, just like a stock sound, but it was made of steel. So let's see how it held up after these 2 years with the winter, salt and everything. So let me show you guys. So starting from the back, you can see the tip of the exhaust over here. It's a little bit rusty. It's a little bit rusty. It's still there, haven't fallen out yet, but as you can see guys, it's rusting out. Now over here the mounting point is right here. It's pretty bad. As you can see, it's all flaking off. This might break at any time, and I kind of just pushed a hole in there slightly, almost a hole, so that's not good. Going back more, this part over here is pretty bad. This is about to fall apart. This used to be a pipe over here, but it's like no more. And as you can see from this side, this clamp over here, it's all rusted out. It's about to break. Everything is about to break here. The pipe over here. Now the muffler itself, luckily there is no holes yet on it, but it looks like it might get some soon. Now going back over here, this part over here is pretty much rusted as well. The V pipe over here, this point is getting rusted as well, but maybe not too bad. Now the same thing with this clamp and this pipe over here, it's all rusted. Now the rest is going under a skid plate and coming to the next catalyst converter over here. This is all rusted as well. So of course, because it's just a steel, it's not stainless steel or anything else, it is understandable that it's gonna rust. Like I said, I had it for about 2 years now, and I might have 1 more year in it, maybe more, maybe less, maybe a few months, maybe just the next winter, and it's all gonna fall apart. So I need to start looking into some options. I need to start figuring out what else should I get. And right away I know for sure that the next exhaust unit that I'm gonna be getting, I need to get the one with a cutback where both pipes go directly into the muffler, not that they go into one, not the V connection. But yeah, now of course whatever is more better is more expensive, but I need to see what my options. Maybe I can find some deal, maybe a discount or something on sale. And also feel free to leave you guys suggestions. What are you guys using? What kind of exhaust system you're using? How you liking how it sounds? And for how long you guys had it? So please feel free to leave your comments below. I would like to read them and see what's available. Unfortunately, there's not a lot available for our trucks. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update of the exhaust system that I installed 2 years ago. And if you guys were wondering how well it held up or not, but so anyways, there is a video. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.